Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 16 by 20 inch or 40.6 by 50.8 centimetre canvas, which was a 3-pack from Simcoe, and it's quite nice. I like it. Alright, and an empty Hungry Jack's coffee cup, Coca-Cola. So I'm going to do a flip cup on here and then see what I want to do with it. So some white. The colours and the recipes for these colours you will find under Show More, just below this video. And there is orange, bright red, cobalt blue, gold, black and white. So I'm just putting them in here. I have silicone in the red, orange, blue and gold. In other words, there's none in the black or white. And a bit of black. Maybe some gold. A bit of orange. Some blue, some whites, and that might be enough, I think. Okay, now I shall just do that. Blue and orange looks nice together. And then I have my trusty little piece of cardboard, very carefully torn, as you can see, to fit my cup. Oh, pretty colours on there. I'll just give it a second. Oh, look at that piece. That's not staying. When I tilt I'll lose that bit, but still. Okay, here we go. Ooh. That is pretty. I'm hoping there's enough paint. It doesn't look like it, does it? We shall see. I might put some white around the edges. Not much in that one. Try this one. Just give it a little smooch. Need any more, I might put some black on. Let's try this. Yes, that's rolling a lot nicer now. Easier to control. If you can ever control this paint, I doubt. No, I don't have enough paint, but I like that, so I'm just going to use the same cup and do a bit more paint with what I have. I have to scratch some of this white out. And just do a little pour in the centre there, so that I have enough, maybe. And a tad of red, a dash of black, much in orange. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Just a straight, let it all hang out, pour. Pretty in its own right. Okay, so now we'll see how we go. I like to try and spread this out over that. And around. I'll take it over this corner. Gotcha. And down. Gotcha. It's working out all right. Just do that little corner while I'm standing here. Oh, this is going to be nice when it's dried. Down you come, don't be shy. Right, now the lucky last corner. Slowly getting there. Oh, how pretty is that one? I think I've got all my corners. So nice. Okay, so let's just bring that down. I'd like that black to go over the edge. Are you going to go? Yes, it's going. Bring the red down a little bit. Okay, that's good. Oh, can you see that? Look at that. Beautiful. Good for nothing. Unless of course it dries nicely on there now and I can use it as a skin for some jewellery. Now like that bit, you can go. Okay, so I'm going to just wash my hands off and torch it. Give me a second. Now the recipes for these paints I think I might have said, and the pouring medium you'll find under show more below this video. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. we have lift off with this one. Okay, so I'm going to bring you down to take a look, and oh, I'm happy. Just untangle you. And this is what I've been looking at. As you can see, it's really very pretty. If you haven't already, subscribe please do, and click the little bell beside that word and you will be notified as I put videos up. And leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me do or have a go at, or any particular colours you'd like to see me mix together. Just please say, or a technique that you'd like. You can leave those messages in the comments. So that's really pretty. I like this bluey bit. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. I really do hope you've enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.